Hi guys, I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to work with this assignment for the basic matrix operations. So clearly you already found this point because you found the video. You can see here that it gives you the instructions, and you would also see over here, for instance, this student's name is sample student. It'll say your name right here. That means that this whole document is yours to change. So when you do want to start working on your assignment, this is kind of like how we would do a worksheet in class. You click onto this attachment. So it's a Google slide. Now you'll see that on this Google slide, it looks like a worksheet, and there are some gray areas that you can fill in. So let's zoom in to see this. So you can see that there's gray areas where each answer will have, a space in our matrix. So just to give you an idea of how this would go through, if I'm adding these two matrices, I would add the elements in the same position. So I would add 3 plus 0, and that would go into this position. So 3 plus 0 ends up being 3. And I could leave it just like that, which is fine. For myself, I kind of like to change the highlight so I know, okay, I already did that one. That one's filled in. You can change the color of the text. You can make it blue. You can make it purple. It does not matter. But that way you know, okay, I already put part of my answer in there. As you go through, you can just keep filling out each one of these gray blocks. You don't have to change the colors. Like I said, that's just if you want to make sure that you know that you're filling in all the spaces and you're answering everything completely. As you go through, you can go down the whole page. It'll bring you to the second page. And it's all the same idea, just filling in your answer option spots. When you're done, this automatically saves to your drive. You don't need to do anything for it. You can just close it out. And it's already going to be attached here. Now, the one last thing that you would need to do is to attach your work. So this specific sort of assignment doesn't really have much work. It's a lot of just basic mental math. So it's okay if you don't have much work for this one, but you do always want to attach any work that you have, and you do that from here from add. So you can add if you've already, if you have it saved on your Google Drive, if you need to save that photo in a document, but you can add your work here. Once you get that done, just make sure you click turn in. If you don't, I can't grade it. Once you turn it in, you cannot edit it. You can go back and forth and keep editing, but once you click turn in, it's done. So you click turn in, takes a second, and you are good to go.